Hey guys, I'm going to start by saying sorry I haven't been watching many videos. I've just been busy working and fixing things and stuff. So, hopefully when things settle down I'll be able to watch more of you guys' video. But I appreciate everybody who's sticking with the channel. This is a new mower we just got. 0 turn. 24 horsepower V-twin. It's pretty fun. 54-inch deck on it. It's a good mower. Works really well because the transmission on the L120 went. So I gotta find. Still gonna fix it though. I'm gonna find a new transmission. Or a used transmission, not a new one. They're like $800 new, so find a used one for it, get that going again. But today I'm gonna fix the mini bike. I'm gonna pull that out of the corner, and I think the carburetor, the float in the carburetor is stuck because it just pours gas out of it. So I'm just gonna take that apart. Should be pretty simple fix. I know I'm gonna ride it today maybe, so that's what I'm gonna do. I forget about how small this thing is. Comes up to even shorter than my knees. Alright, so I took the carburetor apart and I didn't see anything wrong with it, but you know, even just a little piece of dirt can make the needle not seat. So I cleaned it up and put it back together, and hopefully it won't leak now. So we'll see. I got it back together and it's running again. I'll take it for a ride.